Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Xiaomi Redmi 6A, let's go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and go for the manage apps, or for the dual apps right here. And for example, we can clone the Facebook and also the AliExpress. So wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can clone the second application, and let's go back for the home screen and let's check where we can find this second application. So right now when we enter, okay, right now we got the two apps. There's the Facebook and AliExpress, and when we enter the more apps, we will find here also this apps. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.